Hello and welcome back to the Killa keyboard channel. Today we'll be looking at Akko's new acrylic budget kit, the Akko ACR 75 in blue. Popping the box open, the kit comes pre-assembled with the case, PCB, a FR4 plate EVA foam and pre-lube plate mounted stabilizers. A coiled cable with 2 Akko switches are also included. This all comes to a price of $89.99 USD or $132 in Australian, including shipping. The board features a gasket mounted system with north facing hot swap sockets. On paper, this board has some really impressive specs, but we will see how impressive they are. So with all the info out of the way, let's hear what the stock stabilizers sound like. The plate mount stabilizers are quite loose on the plate, but with some sports tape we can fix that. Upon checking out the pre-lube job, it seems minimal and inconsistent. And also, I recently bought this electric screwdriver set. I really highly recommend it if you do a lot of modding. This saves heaps of time and is quite satisfying to use. Here's the gasket mounted system. It seems like they've used EVA foam, which is a thicker, denser foam compared to Poron. So with the case apart, this is how flexy it is without the plate foam versus the plate foam. And unfortunately, there's not much flex, even with a great amount of force. The switch I'm going with today is the Holy Tom from Huano. I think the transparent blue colour is pretty killer and would match the board. Let's see what the RGB looks like and we'll move on to the typing test. So what are my thoughts on the board? In terms of feel, there is a subtle amount of softness. I think that comes from the case pressing onto the Deskmat instead of the gasket. This is comparable to the KBD 67 Lite. The typing sound is pretty muted with the EVA foam, and taking it out sounds a bit better but has a hint of hollowness. Overall, the board has a clacky sound signature. I will do a separate video where I will PE foam and tape mod, so make sure you're subscribed. The stabilizers that it comes with aren't terrible and will do the trick if you don't plan to switch them out. I think the aesthetics of the board is amazing with a really nice layout for gaming. So what do I like about the board? I think the price and aesthetics is the main attraction, and you don't have to wait around as this board is always in stock. There is a few different layout options to choose from, and I think Akko is really pumping out some nice designs for the newcomers. And I think if they really want to be competitive with other budget kits, they need to incorporate some south-facing switches, screw-in stabilizers and some plate options. So if you like the acrylic look and don't want to wait around, this board should be a great consideration. I know we've only covered budget boards on this channel, but I've got some exciting news that will change that. I've managed to secure myself an Our Lab Mr. Suits in black chroma, which I'm really excited about to share. So that's all I've got for the Akko ACR 75. Go check out the other designs and thanks for watching.